In uncertain times, your food storage is more than just a safety net. It's a crucial tool for survival. But can you rely on it to create nutritious and satisfying meals? Today, we'll delve into survival cooking, focusing on how to use your stored supplies effectively. Stockpiling is important, but knowing how to cook with those items is essential. Practicing with your food storage before an emergency hits ensures you know how to use your supplies efficiently and creatively. It's not just about survival. It's about maintaining some normalcy in difficult times. Let's explore a practical recipe, Hawaiian-style Spam fried rice. This meal is not only tasty, but also makes use of several long-lasting ingredients that you likely already have in your food storage. Start by preparing the rice. Rice is a staple in most food storage plans due to its long shelf life and versatility. Cook it according to the instructions, and remember that different types of rice can bring varied textures and flavors to your dish. Next, slice the Spam and sauté it in a pan. The goal is to achieve a crispy, golden brown exterior that adds both texture and flavor to the dish. Spam is a great protein source that can last for years in your storage. While the Spam cooks, rehydrate your freeze-dried vegetables. These veggies retain most of their nutritional value and add color, flavor, and important nutrients to your meal. Mix in some egg powder as a source of protein. Egg powder is a fantastic alternative to fresh eggs, with a long shelf life that makes it ideal for emergency food storage. Prepare it according to the package instructions and add it to the pan. Once everything is prepared, combine the rice, Spam, rehydrated vegetables, and egg powder in the pan. Stir-fry them together, allowing the flavors to meld. This step turns your individual ingredients into a cohesive and satisfying meal. Survival meals don't have to be boring. By varying your ingredients and experimenting with different recipes, you can maintain a balanced diet and keep mealtime enjoyable, even during challenging times. Incorporate various grains, legumes, and preserved foods to ensure you're getting a range of nutrients. Seasonings and sauces can also make a big difference, turning basic ingredients into something special. Rotating your stock is crucial. Ensure that you're regularly using and replenishing your supplies so they remain fresh and usable. Label everything with expiration dates, and make a habit of cooking with stored items regularly to keep your skills sharp. This not only prevents waste, but also keeps you familiar with your supplies. The key to successful survival cooking is preparation and practice. With the right approach, your food storage can be more than just a means to an end. It can be a source of comfort and nourishment. Start experimenting with your supplies today and build your confidence in your ability to provide for your family in any situation.